Oh, it's so pretty.
Whoa.
It's so heavy. Disney released a limited edition Kestis Jedi Survivor lightsaber. I haven't opened it up, so you guys are getting my pure blind reaction. Stella's gonna bring it over, and I am so excited. All right, let's do it.
Don't peek.
Not peeking, just hit it right here.
Don't use the Jedi Force either. No, I said no.
Oh, the box. I'm so emotional right now. Hearing the box in front of me. I'm gonna cry. If I cry, don't judge me, you all.
Okay, wait.
Let me know when I can open my eyes.
Hold on. On the count of 3, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty.
So beautiful.
Oh my god. On the side in Arabic, it says trust only in the Force.
It's in the front too.
Which is so meaningful. I love Cal's story, and this box is beautiful. The second I saw this was gonna be available, I knew I had to get it. All right, let's open it up. Oh, it slides off. Oh no, I'm not ready. But just admire the box. How beautiful is that?
It's so pretty.
And it's got the same like decal as when you meditate in the game, which I think is really beautiful.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Slide it off. Get it. Inside the box, you get a certificate. We actually have number 129 of 7,500. It says, having a lightsaber isn't what makes you a Jedi. I'm going to cry reading this. We were peacekeepers. We were betrayed by those we protected, hunted down by the Empire. I might be one of the last of my kind. Cal Kestis. I love it. I'm such an emotional person.
It's so cool.
All right, let's get to it.
Oh,
Look at it. It's so pretty.
Whoa.
It's so heavy. All right, this is it in the box. It is so beautiful, you all.
It's so glorious.
That wrapping is gorgeous. All right, let's get it out.
Whoa.
This thing weighs a ton. It is massive, and it is absolutely beautiful. I love the wrapping on it. In the middle, it's like his saber in the game can break in half. Unfortunately, it doesn't twist in half because this is where the batteries live. Something that not everybody knew at first because Shop Disney kind of announced it wrong is it is a double-bladed lightsaber. So we'll be sticking those in a second, but let's get a closer look at the hilt. So here is the hilt. Cal's saber now has changed quite a bit from Fallen Order to Jedi Survivor. It's got the same kind of emitter section. You have some of the open wiring in here, which is really nice. I love the wrap they went with. It's the kind of leather wrapping on here. All of these are plastic textures, so it's not like the Rey lightsaber where it was a cloth. This isn't actually leather, it's just plastic, but it looks very, very good.
It looks like real leather though.
It does, especially when it's on display from afar. You can't tell. And I also like that too, because as cool as the cloth is on some, if your hands are dirty and you're playing around with it, over time it's just gonna get really worn, so this is gonna hold up really well. Down here on the second half of the hilt, you have this really beautiful green worn texture on here. We'll get all these stickers off eventually. And then the other emitter is really neat. I love that you kind of have the customization of one emitter on this side and the different one here, which is cool because if you were wielding this, it looks like this is your only emitter, and then like if you're in battle, you're like, wacha, and then
Like
next thing
how?
another wacha, another saber comes out. And this kind of has a like copper gold color to it with a copper and silver on here. I'm in love. I love it. Shall we put in some blades?
Totally. Let's make it even better. I can't get over the variety of colors and textures on this because there's nothing like it. I'm a sucker for this side right here. This is very, very cool. This is almost like High Republic-y.
It is.
Looking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another cool feature about this saber is the colors that you can swap it to, which we'll show you guys when we get the blades in. So we're gonna do a single blade first to see what that looks like, and then we'll put the second blade in a second. It helps if I take out the blade plug. Definitely do that. And let's ignite it.
Whoa.
So the soundboard's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a legacy lightsaber, so they're not as loud as others. It is here where you put your hand, so I assume if you're holding it, it's going to be a little quieter. It is a little bit. Again, like this is for display mainly, and it's got a good sound, all things considered. This is the first legacy lightsaber that switches between all the colors.
That's so cool.
Very neat. So we have red, yellow, blue, purple.
Wow.
I believe that's all of them.
They really stepped up their game.
Yes, and how you cycle through them is right above your ignition, there's a button. And if you hold that, you'll be able to cycle through your different colors. So let's see what we have. So we're starting with blue, ignition's on this side, buttons over here. So it flashes, now we're at green, I love it. So just like how Cal can pick his saber color, you can with this as well.
The color's really vibrant.
It is. Purple, if you want to channel your inner Mace Windu. Red, in case you have a little evilness inside of you. And next up is... I think that's supposed to be
yellow.
The yellow.
That's yellow.
Yeah.
That's definitely
In the
yellow.
lighting right now, it looks a little green, but that's our yellow color.
I feel like it takes a little bit for it to switch, right?
Yeah. And then white. If you just want to be a neutral, not a Jedi, I am no Jedi, like Ahsoka. Very, very cool. Let's put in the other blade.
Okay, let's do it.
So this is when the lightsaber is going to get really long. Plug again. I told you guys. Falcon Squadron, how come you don't listen? Look how big this is. Oh my God, I'm going to chop Estella's head off. When we turn it on, it's going to turn both.
Oh,
No, we're going to have an ignition switch for the other side. There we go. So it's actually on one of these right here. You can have two different colors.
What?
My mind was just blown. We have blue and white, so apparently you can pick a white blade color you want.
If you have a split personality, you can have your split saber.
I want to be light side and dark side today. This button over here pushes down, and that should change the color.
Oh, gotcha. Yep.
Yeah, so now we have green and white. Let's see if we can get both the colors matching.
There we go.
There we go. And now we have the double-bladed Cal Kestis Legacy lightsaber.
It's beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
No regrets.
Yeah, really no regret in the purchase on that at all. I love it, and I cannot wait to display it. And maybe I'll put it on that new stand out in the living room.
Yeah,
and
that would
display
look
the
cool.
box separately.
Yeah.
Falcon Squadron, thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you had a wonderful May the 4th Star Wars Day.
We had a fantastic day at the parks, getting all this cool stuff, and we were just blown away by everything being so beautiful.
We're about to head back to Batuu for a lightsaber meetup, but if you guys had a good time, don't forget to hit that like and check out our full May the 4th vlog where we hang out on Batuu for the day. Come hang out with us.